Welcome to Wattens Technologies. Let us have a glance into what we are, who we are, and what we are into. Wattens is an ISO-certified industrial automation training institute. We are approved globally by ISO 9001-2015, TÜV Rheinland Germany, Dubai Accreditation Council, International Accreditation Forum and CTDS, which is approved by NSTC Central Government of India. Sometimes we are totally confused of what we are and where we are heading towards after the successful completion of engineering graduation. Here comes the importance of our tagline, which says, "Come in as trainee, go out as professionals." We fully believe in this and we are ready to help you with all our potentiality in the field of automation. We the Wattens, aspiring to become India's leading workforce development organization, providing the individuals with wide range of training program on industrial automation and placement opportunities, to the aspiring engineers to reach their full potential through our well-designed training program by our team of expertise. Our mission and vision which keep us moving towards the perfectionism in the field of automation industry. We do have excellent placement track record of every year. And we are proud to say that all our students are working in India's best automation companies. We welcome the young and energetic engineering students to explore their career potentials in the field of automation industry. As we know, all the manufacturing companies in India is going to be automated in next few years. Yes, dear friends, our presence in the automation industry with training and employment has been a great help for all the passing out engineering freshers and experienced working in companies like Siemens, ABB, Schneider, etc. As a part of it, we do conduct workshop and seminars for the engineers in the college campus, and we offer training program for the corporate companies for their employees to enkindle their knowledge in the field of automation, and thereby they are enlightened to apply their knowledge in automation industry. We continue to provide best-in-class engineering solutions to its customers in various industrial verticals across the globe. Since our presence in the Garden City, Bangalore, India, we have been able to make a mark, owing to our high-quality engineering solutions along with our reliable services. We specialize in solutions for any complicated automation problems by applying our skillfulness and in-depth understanding of process with our team of expertise in industrial automation, PLC, SCADA, DCS, HMI, VFD, instrumentation, pneumatics, robotics and so on. Let us now look at our training programs that we are providing in our company. We offer two packages: regular package and premium package. We have the best-in-class industrial automation training under the regular and premium packages. Premium packages will have 100% placement assurance, while standard packages can only provide placement assistance. Premium package have two courses, PGDIA and ADIA, and regular package also have two courses, ACIA and CAE. We will teach latest industrial software and hardware in our course package. Our practical session covers 14 different brands of PLC, 3 different brands of SCADA, 2 different brands of HMI, DCS, VFD, robotics, pneumatics, panel wiring and ASD project. And the theoretical session covers basic electrical, basic electronics, industrial management and safety, instrumentation, control systems, resume preparation, interview preparation, mock interview, personality development. Our training highlights which make us unique from others. Our students will get advanced industrial exposure with unlimited practical classes. Training sessions will be conducted in very inspirational atmosphere with project-oriented interactive sessions. Every candidates will get individual attention with a short placement in core industry. Industrial automation course is suitable for those who are studying or finished diploma or graduation with specialization of electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, mechatronics or the engineering branches related to the streams. and it's ideal for working professionals, those who are in same industry wants to upgrade the skills, or the people those who want to build a new career in the field of industrial automation. Have you ever wondered where an industrial automation engineer can work? As an engineer in industrial automation, there are vast opportunities in various industries such as manufacturing industries, like food and pharmaceutical, chemical and petroleum, pulp and paper, refinery etc. Transportation industries, like automotive, aerospace, rail etc. Utilities, like water and wastewater, oil and gas, electric power and telecommunication etc. Defense, like production, research and development, technical operations etc. Facility operation, like environmental control and safety, energy management, building automation etc. Thank you for watching video. For information about the training, please visit www.watens.com, and for online PLC training visit www.traininginplc.com.